Quite often I get the question, can I walk on the roof of my RV? And it really depends on the type of RV. The cheaper the units that are made with wood are not going to have as much structure or cross members up on the roof, and you don't want to get up on top of those. A lot of those manufacturers will even have a sticker on the back that says nobody up on the roof, or a limit of 100 or 150 pounds or something like that. Now, you do go to NASCAR races and see tons of people up on top of roofs, and a lot of those will have them reinforced. But what you want to be careful of is when you're walking up on a roof, first of all, it could be very slippery. You want to have good footing on it. It's not a good idea to walk on a wet roof. But as you're walking around here, stay away from any of the vents, because those are going to have cutouts and they won't have a lot of support around it. So you want to stay kind of out away from the vents. Don't get too close into here, put too much weight there. Stay on a little bit out to the outside. Now, you will have cross members generally along the edges of your air conditioner, but you can see here, I don't have a lot of support right here, so I want to make sure I stay a little closer to the edge because I've got some support on there, but not too close to the edge. And just as you come back to the back, you'll see some seams in here. And again, stay away from the vents. There are several units that you can walk around up on the roof, but you need to be very careful, and you need to know what that roof is made of.